Hi everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody, back with another video. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, why don't you go ahead and hit it. Be sure you hit that notification bell as well. So I've had several people to ask me how I created this floral arrangement here. If you're interested in seeing the simple steps that I did to create this arrangement, just keep on watching. Okay everyone, so I wanted an original, unique floral arrangement. So when I saw, this is actually a trash can. This is a trash can and it came from Home Goods out of the restroom section. And I would never in a million years use this as a trash can. I just fell in love with it when I saw it, and I knew that I was not going to use this as a trash can. So anyway, it was $49.99 and it came from the bathroom section, and I will be using this for many different purposes outside of being a trash can. So I have my waste basket here. Then I have this particular floral here. It's called a spider daisy and it's gray, and it came from Z Gallery. So let me show you. So yeah, this is the spider daisy. And when I actually received it, so when I received this floral, when I bought it from the store, it was like this. Everything was like this, right? And so basically, I just opened it up. But I'm going to take my just basically take my tag off here. And then I'm going to, this is wire, and that's why I like this particular floral arrangement, because this section here is wire. So I'm basically gonna eyeball this, and I'm going to fold this over to like a box like that. And then I'm just gonna bend it like this, because I can get an idea that this is how the height, let me show you. This is the height that I want the floral to stick out. Let me grab my camera just a second, because I want to show you the height. So basically what I did was I just eyeballed and I just folded the floral, you know, to a height that I know it would be sticking out of the waste basket. And then I just basically took this and placed it in the waste basket, but I'm gonna have to reshift my phone to show you that. Okay, so basically all I do is just eyeball this and I fold it over like this so that it can fit in the waste basket. And then I'm gonna turn it this way. I hope you guys can see that. So then I'm just going to turn this to where the actual floral is facing a corner. And it's facing a corner, and just push it in there. This is like the easiest DIY ever. And I want my flower to be pointed that way. So I bend it over. And then I just repeat the same thing with this stem here. I just take it and fold it over. This doesn't have to be in any specific way, because I'm going to be draping this section of the plant. So I'm just taking this and just sticking it over in the plant as well. I mean in the waste basket as well. And then what I do is there's 8 stems on this floral. So I'm going to take 4 around this way and 4 around this way, and then I just drape it. And then I just opened up my my spider daisy. I just open it up, and there's the floral arrangement. Super cute, so glam, and you can just play around with this. You can, you know, you can even have it like closed up if you want, but to me it's more prettier just like that. So that's how I created my Glam fall floral arrangement.